Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand verbs and tenses. So basically I'm going to talk about the 5 form of verbs today, taking one verb, that is ring. I have taken ring, and I'm going to explain the 5 forms and the tenses also along with this. That becomes very easy. So the V1 form is ring. That's the base form of the verb. V2 form है rang, then rung, then ringing, then rings. आप गूगल में आपको बहुत सारी ऐसी भी शीट्स मिलेंगे जिसमें ING फॉर्म विल बी V5, बट आई ऑलवेज गो बाय दिस फॉर्म, that is V4 in ING form. That becomes actually very easy to understand tenses, so I always go by this sheet. So let me make you understand that V1, जब भी आपको सेंटेंस में V1 वर्ब मिले या V5 वर्ब मिले, immediately you will be able to understand that your sentence is simple present tense, because V1 and V5 wo verbs हैं that they are talking about your habits, your routines, your schedules, repeated actions and truths. So that is why if you are coming across V1 or V5 in the sentence, you will immediately understand that the sentence is simple present tense. Let's take some examples. Like regular habit, I drink water after waking up. This is my habit. Routine, I go for walk every morning. This is my routine. Schedule, I have an appointment with doctor at 2 p.m. Repeated actions, it rains every afternoon in the hot season. Now truth, the earth revolves around the sun rises in the east. So these are some examples of simple present tense. They are talking about habit, routine, schedule, actions, repeated actions and truths. Now let us understand how, when do we use V1 and when do we use V5. Again, that's very simple. V1 हमेशा हम plural subjects के साथ use करते हैं, and V5 हम हमेशा singular subject के साथ use करते हैं. Rahul, he, she, they are all singular subject. Rahul rings the bell, he rings the bell, she rings the bell. That goes with singular. Actually, the verb with S is the singular form of the S. So subject singular, verb singular. Coming to V1, that is the base form of the verb. This always goes by the plural subjects. They ring, we ring. Plus INU. INU, as you know, most of the rules they don't follow, they just do the opposite. So I, being a singular subject, it is not taking V5, it is always taking V1. So they ring, we ring, I ring, you ring. I hope the concept is clear to you all. Simple present tense, let me summarize. They are generally talking about your habits, routine, schedule, repeated actions and truth. So जब कभी भी you are coming across a sentence, check the verb, check the sentence. If it is talking about daily routine, daily habits, schedules, repeated actions or truth, the sentence is always simple present tense. Other thing is V1 है तो obviously आप समझ जाओगे that sentence is simple present tense. Again V5 है तो भी sentence is simple present tense. I hope this is clear to you. So next video I'll be coming up with V2 form of the verb, that is a past form, and I'll be explaining you this. Thank you.